भी नहीं कर सकते हम लोग. ओके, वी हैव टू फेस दिस सिचुएशन. ओके, good evening everyone. Okay, my voice is clear for everyone.
Yes, sir.
And on the screen, is it visible? The screen,
Yes.
is it visible? Okay, very good, very good. So last class on Thursday, no, Thursday or Friday, this we have completed, no, shrinkage. Akash, ಇದ್ದೇನಪ್ಪ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್?
Yes, sir.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಶ್ರಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಶ್ರಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್. ಜನರಲಿ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಶ್ರಿಂಕೇಜ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಪೋಸ್ 10 ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡನಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 10, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ದನ್ 10. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್, that process, that mechanism is called as the shrinkage now. Okay, so we have started discussion plastic drain. Okay, now these two things we have completed. So in short, plastic shrinkage means what? Just now to the concrete ingredients you have added water, you have made fresh concrete. Okay, now from fresh to just hard, that whatever change in the volume due to loss of moisture or water or whatever, so that reduction is called as plastic shrinkage. Drying shrinkage means what? Just drying to full dry. Just drying to full dry. Whatever loss of water is there, no, very small amount of water will be there, that will be lost due to evaporation or still hydration. That is called as drying shrinkage. These two things we have covered in the last class. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, these are the factors affecting shrinkage we have studied. Okay. So cement content, if it is more shrinkage will be there. As the water loss is more, the more shrinkage will be there. These are the things you only explained me. Okay, so for this humidity, if 100% water vapor is present in the air, then no shrinkage. If vapor content is less, water vapor content is less, then shrinkage will start to happen. Okay, na? And what is this then? As the water cement ratio increases, shrinkage also increase. If the aggregate content is less, more shrinkage. If aggregate content is more, less shrinkage. It's a parametric or comparative thing. 50 less, sorry, 50 more, 80 aggregates, less shrinkage. Okay, now like that you have to understand. What is this? Depending upon the quality of aggregate. Poor aggregate, high shrinkage. Strong aggregate, less shrinkage. Okay, na? Like that you have to understand. Or whatever aggregate you take, no, as the time goes, shrinkage is also increasing. As the time is going, shrinkage is also increasing. Okay, na? These things are clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please see, okay, na? Please give response. If you say yes, if you say no, then that's only sufficient. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಕುछ तो बात करना है. ಓಕೆ, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಜಾಲಿಗಿಡದ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆಪ್ಪ ಈಗ? ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. ओके, थोड़ा आंसर करना है, थोड़ा बात करना है, टाइम पास करके थोड़ा क्लास कंप्लीट करना है. इज दैट ओके?
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತದ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. तुमको क्या लगता है बोलने के लिए, जो मन है, रिलेटेड टू सब्जेक्ट, नॉट रिलेटेड टू सब्जेक्ट, जो भी आए थोड़ा बात करो, नो प्रॉब्लम. देखो टाइम कैसे चेंज हुआ है कि नहीं. क्लास में मैं क्या बोलता था जब ऑफलाइन क्लास था, जब कॉलेज में हम लोग क्लास लेते थे ना, कॉलेज वाला क्लास वाला ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ?
Keep quiet.
ಕೀಪ್ ಕ್ವಾइಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ? ಈಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ?
Yes, sir.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಾರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಚಲೋ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಏನಂತೀರಿ? आप लोग कितना अच्छा बात करता है उतना मैं मार्क्स ज्यादा देगा. इज दैट ओके?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, शाबाश. सबको अच्छा मार्क्स स्टार्टिंग से. ओके. ओके, वेरी गुड. थोड़ा मुझे भी जोश आना चाहिए, ऐसे बच्चे बात कर रहे हैं, मुझे भी इंटरेस्ट आ जाएगा. अभी ये ऑटोजेनिस क्या होता है? ऑटो है क्या इसमें? ऑटो है क्या? रिक्शा है क्या? है कुछ नहीं है. ऑटो मतलब सेल्फ. ಆಟೋ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅದು ಆಟೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ऑटोमेटिक ಅದು, ಆಟೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ऑटोमेटिक, उसका मतलब है ऑटोमेटिक। मतलब क्या है, body of a concrete, there is no loss of water, there is no nothing exchange between outside and inside. There is nothing exchange happening, no water vapor, no nothing exchange, but still some shrinkage is taking place in a closed container। अभी आप एक कंक्रीट को आके एक एक बंद डिब्बे में बंद करके रखो, कुछ तो मॉइस्चर अंदर से बाहर या बाहर से अंदर आएगा क्या? एलेक्सा, एलेक्सा देखो, 2 मिनट पहले मैं सबको बोला था कि बात करना है, अभी पूरा
Sir,
साइलेंट
please
हो गया।
pardon 1 second.
ओके ओके ओके, पे अटेंशन ना। अभी पुराने केसेस में क्या था, प्लास्टिक श्रिंकेज और ड्राइंग श्रिंकेज में क्या था, फ्रेश कंक्रीट, जस्ट ड्राई, फुल ड्राई, फ्रेश टू जस्ट ड्राई, इसको श्रिंकेज को प्लास्टिक श्रिंकेज, मतलब ये प्लास्टिक कंडीशन में रहता है। और जस्ट हार्ड टू फुल हार्ड को ड्राइंग श्रिंकेज बोलते हैं, ओके ना। अभी इन दोनों के श्रिंकेज में क्या हो रहा है, वॉल्यूम कम हो रहा है, दोनों में भी वॉल्यूम कम हो रहा है। कैसे कम हो रहा है, इसके अंदर का जो पानी है ना, ये धीरे धीरे एवापोरेशन तो हो रहा है या फिर हाइड्रेशन में कंज्यूम हो रहा है। द सेम थिंग हियर ऑल्सो, धीरे धीरे पानी हाइड्रेशन के लिए यूटिलाइज हो रहा है और या फिर एवापोरेशन हो रहा है। तो पानी बाहर जा रहा है, इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है, वॉल्यूम कम हो रहा है, वॉल्यूम is it less, is becoming less। so in this case it is called as active shrinkage, मतलब कुछ तो जा रहा है, इसके लिए उसका वॉल्यूम कम हो रहा है, ओके ना। these two are like that, plastic and plastic and drying। but in autogenous इसमें क्या हो रहा है, if you take a container, put concrete and full seal करो, तब इसका मतलब क्या है, इधर जैसे water vapor is not escaping, water vapor is not escaping, but still there is a reduction in volume। that reduction in volume due to the concrete inherent property is called as बस श्रिंकेज या ट्रक श्रिंकेज या कौन सा श्रिंकेज, कौन सा श्रिंकेज,
Autogenous shrinkage.
ಆಟೋಜೆನಸ್, मतलब अपने आप हो रहा है, इट इज ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಅದು ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ। ಯಾವುದೇ ವಾಟರ್ ವೇಪರ್, ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಏನಂತಾರೋ ವಾಟರ್ ವೇಪರ್ಗೆ, ಆಕಾಶ ಆಕಾಶ್ ದವಣೆ, ಅಮೃತ್ ಮಾನೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ವೇಪರ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಏನಂತಾರೆ
ಸರ್ ಆವಿ ಆಗೋದು,
ನೀರಾವಿ,
ಸರ್
ವಾಟರ್ ವೇಪರ್ ನೀರಾವಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ। हले 2 केस ಒಳಗೆ ನೀರಾವಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, जो पानी का भाप नहीं बोल सकते, पानी का जो कंटेंट रहता है ना, वो धीरे धीरे जा रहा था, तब उसको एक्टिव श्रिंकेज, ये जो है अपने आप हो रहा है, श्रिंकेज हो रहा है, मगर कुछ भी पानी उधर इधर कुछ भी नहीं जा रहा है, तो इसको बोलते हैं कंजर्वेटिव सिस्टम, ओके ना। कंजर्वेटिव सिस्टम में होता है ऑटोजेनस श्रिंकेज, ओके। नेक्स्ट वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, हाँ यस सर, एनीबॉडी वांट्स टू टॉक, भावना मैडम and Gayatri madam, okay, till now this clear for everyone, autogenous, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes sir। मुझे इधर दिखता है कौन बात कर रहा है, उनका सामने जो है ना वो माइक का वो ऑन होता है, वो दिखता है मुझे। कौन बात नहीं कर रहे हैं ना, उनको मैं भी ध्यान में रख रहा हूँ। लास्ट में उनको मैं एक गाना गाने के लिए बोलने वाला हूँ। I will tell them to sing one song if they are not talking। Is that okay, that condition?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, और अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट, क्या बोलते हैं, आई को अलाउ नहीं करेंगे उनको, ओके। आई विल नॉट अलाउ देम टू इफ दे आर नॉट सिंगिंग, ओके। और यू हैव टू टॉक व्हाट एवर डाउट्स आर देयर, व्हाट एवर थिंग्स आर देयर, ओके ना। सभी कंडीशन आपके पास है। ये कार्बोनेशन श्रिंकेज, थोड़ा सा इसको मैकेनिज्म समझाता हूँ। कार्बोनेशन श्रिंकेज, अभी कंक्रीट के बॉडी में जब सीमेंट and water when they are combined, no, there will be CSH gel, one product, there will be calcium hydroxide, another product, 2 products are there। now अभी बाहर खुले हवा में तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रहता है, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ವಾತಾವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ CO2 ಇರ್ತದ, ಓಕೆನಾ. that CO2 will start come to this and ढक 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 knock the door of this cement. तभी गलती से ओपन कर दिया ना इसको, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಮೆಂಟೇ, स्लो आगे ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಅದು, छोटा 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 स्टेप्स लगा के धीरे धीरे एक चोर जैसे आके इसके साथ टाइम पास करेगा, इसके साथ IPL खेलेगा. क्या खेलेगा?
IPL.
IPL खेलेगा. IPL खेलने के बाद ये क्या होता है, ये डिसॉल्व होता है, डिसॉल्व होके कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट बनता है. वो क्या बनता है? CO2 कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड विल गो एंड मेक कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. एक अच्छा सा प्रोडक्ट बन गया. वो अच्छा सा प्रोडक्ट क्या है? वो जो कंक्रीट इतना वॉल्यूम का रहता है ना पहले, वो श्रिंक हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली, क्योंकि इसका जो है वॉल्यूम बहुत कम रहेगा कंपेयर टू दिस. इसका वॉल्यूम, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का वॉल्यूम बहुत कम रहेगा, श्रिंक होके उसका डेंसिटी बढ़ेगा मगर वॉल्यूम कम हो जाएगा, वॉल्यूम कम हो जाएगा. तो उसका श्रिंकेज को क्या बोलते हैं?
Carbonation shrinkage.
कार्बोनेशन श्रिंकेज. वेरी गुड. इसके लिए वही बताया, COIH2 is converted into calcium carbonate with what agent? CO2 is going to have CO2. So carbonation is here increase in weight but volume is decreasing. So इतना बड़ा वॉल्यूम को इतने में ही कर दिया, हो करके उसको ये कर रहा है. Is that okay? So that is called as carbonation shrinkage. अभी उसके लिए डायग्राम देखो. कार्बोनेशन श्रिंकेज क्या कर रहा है? ऐसे धीरे धीरे अंदर आके क्या कर रहा है? वो सीमेंट के अंदर घुस के वो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ मशगिरी करके IPL खेल के उसको कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट बना के थोड़ा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके उसको गिरा दे रहा है. वो बाहर गिर जाएगा क्योंकि वो स्ट्रांग, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, छोटा छोटा पीसेस हो जाता है, होके वो गिर जाता है और अपना मस्त आइटम होता है. क्या होता है ये? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? bars, reinforcement bars exposed to atmosphere and rusting will start. This is called as carbonation shrinkage. अभी देखो ऐसे धीरे धीरे आके इसको बाहर निकालते जा रहा है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके ना. So that is the problem with carbonation shrinkage. So these two have the scale. See here, दोनों बढ़ते हैं का कम होते हैं. As the time is going on, creep and shrinkage, they are going to increase or decrease by seeing this graph.
Increase.
Everyone
Increase.
it will increase.
Increase,
Okay?
sir.
Increase.
What is the effect of shrinkage? Can you see the cracks which are appearing on the surface? Can you see? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Cracks, sir.
That, very good. By reduction of volume, the cracks are going to come on the surface. That is the problem with that one. Can you see here another type of cracks are there at the edges? So tiles gills जो होता है, जो shrinkage हो रहा है, तो tiles का क्या बोलते हैं, उस धीरे धीरे ऊपर नीचे होके क्रैक होता है. आप घर में देखा है क्या कभी?
Yes, sir.
आप have you seen in your home the tiles ऊपर नीचे हुआ रहता है? आप लोग किसको डांटते हैं? वो जो मिस्त्री आए रहते हैं उसको डांटते हैं. उसका प्रॉब्लम है क्या? वो किसका प्रॉब्लम है? Who is the problem maker here? Here, shrinkage of concrete is making that problem. See here, so much of shrinkage has taken place. It is fall now. It is making fall. So this is related to that carbonation shrinkage. Okay, na? Okay. So how to control this shrinkage? What you can do? How to control that loss of water to the atmosphere? You can cover with some sunshades, no? Yes or no? अगर धूप बहुत है, सनशाइन ज्यादा है, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಹಳ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ಒಂದು ಕವರ್. You can provide one cover. So that time that evaporation will be controlled and parallelly shrinkage is also controlled. So how to control in a big structures like this? How to control? What precaution you can take to control this shrinkage? At least before laying the concrete, वो जो नीचे मिट्टी रहता है ना, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಮಣ್ಣು ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮಣ್ಣು ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. What you should do? You should pour some water, make it wet, so that even if some water is escaped from concrete, the subgrade or soil will provide that extra moisture. Is that okay? जो नीचे सॉइल जो रहता है ना वो धीरे धीरे पानी कंक्रीट को देगा. ये लो भैया तुम ले लो, तुम्हारा एवापोरेशन से बहुत पानी जा रहा है. ತಗೋಪ ಅಣ್ಣ ಮಾಮ ನೀ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ನೀನು ಬಹಳ ನೀರು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳಕತ್ತಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ? यस सर, नो सर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और एक मेथड क्या हो सकता है, थोड़ा अच्छा सा क्यूरिंग करना है, डे टू डे क्यूरिंग करना है, डे टू डे मॉइस्चर प्रोवाइड करना है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो यू कैन कंट्रोल द श्रिंकेज. ओके? एंड अदर थिंग्स you can use admixtures, no, such as plasticizer, such as super plasticizer. Those things will control that evaporation. Those things will make that concrete more wet, more longer time, so that shrinkage will be controlled. Okay, na? Shrinkage and creep. These are good or bad to concrete? You tell me.
Bad, sir.
These are very, very bad. These things will make that concrete to lose its strength, lose its grip on the RCC, and at the slowly its उसका strength जो है धीरे धीरे जाके खत्म, एक बार full खत्म हो जाएगा. Okay? So now you tell me next concept. Okay, shrinkage. Any doubts for any other persons? ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್?
No, sir.
No,
No
sir.
doubt.
अनुश्री
No,
डाउट
sir.
है? नो?
No, sir.
हाँ, देखो
No,
बाद
sir.
में गाना गाना पड़ेगा सबको. कौन आंसर नहीं कर रहा, मैं अभी देख रहा हूँ, सबको देख रहा हूँ मैं. ओके ओके, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. ओके, नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट दैट इज ड्यूरेबिलिटी. ओके ना? अभी ड्यूरेबल का मतलब क्या है? अभी आपने एक मोबाइल लेके आया, मोबाइल मार्केट से मोबाइल परचेज किया. ओके ना? हाउ यू कैन से दैट इट इज ड्यूरेबल? Strong, that is one concept. How that is durable?
Warranty.
Guarantee one thing.
Long life.
Okay, very good, very good. Long life is very accurate answer. Very good.
Comes more time, sir.
Huh?
More time.
Okay.
Please.
More
Battery
time.
performance.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. ಅಭಿ देखो, ಈಗ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸ್ಟೈಲೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೀವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? नार्मल आगे अगदी स्मूथ आगे बटन ऑपरेट ಮಾಡೋದು, स्मूथ से उसका बटन ऑपरेट करना है, सब नॉर्मल अच्छे से प्यार से. ओके, यू आर ऑपरेटिंग so that it is going to come for longer time. That is one thing. If that same mobile is taken by your younger brother or younger sister in your home, who is very notorious, who is very, very active person, what will happen to that mobile? Whether the same time will be there or its lifetime is going to be reduced? You tell me.
Extremely reduced, sir.
Its lifetime is going to be reduced. That
Reduced.
means, very good, very good. उसका मतलब क्या है? Depending upon the conditions under which that material is performing, that will decide its life. That will decide its life. वो कौन से एनवायरमेंट में उस स्ट्रक्चर को यूज कर रहे हैं ना, दैट इज मेकिंग दैट वन वेरी ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಥವಾ ತಂಗಿ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅವ್ನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ದಿನ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮದರ್ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಬಹಳ ದಿನ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? तुम्हारे ग्रैंड मदर ग्रैंड पेरेंट के पास देने से वो ऐसे ही रहेगा, कुछ भी नहीं होगा. ओके ना? सो हियर strength is one aspect, but very strong phone, if it is given to your strong brother or sister, whether it is that is going to be durable or whether it is going to be dumb, you tell me. Even if it is a strong mobile also.
It won't last for long, sir.
Very good. क्योंकि strength matter नहीं होता है, strength matter नहीं होता है, the conditions under which it is getting used, that will matter. So under different conditions, if that is sustaining, then it is called as, you tell me the word, then it is called as
Durable.
Durable.
very good. Now I hope you have understood. Strength is other thing. जितना लोड लेगा जितना कम लेगा वो अलग चीज है. स्ट्रेंथ इज गुड बट मोर देन स्ट्रेंथ इट शुड बी ड्यूरेबल. मीन्स व्हाट? हाईली अग्रेसिव एनवायरमेंट, हाईली अग्रेसिव एनवायरमेंट में भी उसको सस्टेन करना है. वो कौन से एनवायरमेंट है? हाईली पोल्यूटेड एरिया, aggressive marine condition, harmful soil condition, other very dangerous condition. Can you see this diagram? Where is that? Huh. 1 second. Okay. I will making that photo of highly aggressive environment. Those things I wanted to show. Okay, where is that? It is coming. It is coming. Okay, those things as soon as it comes, I will do. Now, is it picture? This is available for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಇದು normal
Yes,
environment,
sir.
normal environment और aggressive environment?
Normal.
नॉर्मल. इसमें तो बिल्डिंग अच्छा ही आएगा. अभी ये देखो, ये कौन सा बिल्डिंग है, कौन सा भी एक फैक्ट्री है. वेदर इट इज नॉर्मल और अग्रेसिव?
Aggressive one.
Aggressive because
Aggressive.
some exposure to some aggressive conditions are there. Okay na? Now this is highly polluted. China, Beijing, Wuhan, ganda. How it is?
Aggressive.
Highly
Aggressive.
polluted.
Aggressive.
इसमें बिल्डिंग्स सस्टेन होने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. ओके, इजीली करोजन, इजीली फेडिंग, everything will start. Now can you see highly polluted industrial area? Here also that aggressive environment is there. This is our India Gate, no? There is lot of pollution is there. That photograph is there. Okay na? So that is why you should understand why Taj Mahal is getting day to day corroded. Why it is the shininess is going down. Can anyone tell me? Taj Mahal.
Pollution.
Due to pollution, acid rain, those things are making that Taj Mahal to lose its glory. Okay, what is this? Marine condition, how this building is constructed, but it is got hit by so many waves. That is also one aggressive condition. This bridge has to have very strong durable property, then only it will sustain. Okay na? See this foundation of that steel structure, it is under marine condition. Water is very corrosive. Okay, so already that corrosion is started taking place. That is very dangerous. Can you see the oil rigging machine or boats? So they are doing oil rigging machines. So very corrosive environment. Okay na? So see this sewage water structure, sewage treatment plant, environmental condition. See this wastewater is there. It contains high amount of chlorides, organic matter. What will happen to this concrete structure which is there outside? Can you see the concrete wall here? So it will start corroding day to day. One day it is going to fall. See the coastline. So one side very marine structure, salinity is there. Structure has to be very durable. Okay now, see this sewage or waste material. Okay, this is a harsh environment. Very aggressive chemicals are there. If you want to construct anything here, you are going to be very tough. That building should be very tough. Aggressive environmental industrial waste. Okay, coastal structure, hitting, continue physical forces is acting on this surface. Okay na? So what is happening here? Corrosion. It is happening. Corrosion. The cover of concrete is washed away and slowly corrosion is taking place. Once that corrosion is completed, all the steel bars will lose its strength and building or structure will collapse. Can you see? This is a photograph of a bridge, underside of the bridge. Have you seen this bridge type of a structure? These are called as the passages of water. Yes or no? Can anyone remember these photos?
Sir.
Yes,
sir.
ಇದು ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ತೆಳಗಿಂದ ಇದ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ, ನೀರ್ ಬಂದ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಫುಟಿಂಗ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಫುಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಪಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. So in 3 to 4 years, almost it is losing day to day. More of a concrete is washed away. Okay na? So this is about railway sleepers. So something is making that problem. Okay, these are see the foundation, how much it has got washed. Okay, direct inside the steel members are visible now. These are all called as aggressive environment. These are all called as aggressive environment. So concrete has to be very tough in this case. See, this is foundation. Already color has been changed. Color has been changed, which is in contact with the water. Okay, so the cracks will definitely will come under these aggressive conditions. What is happening here? Just to remember this point, very important. This is a concrete structure. This is that steel bar. This is that steel bar. Okay, now there is a crack. There is a crack. If water is there, that water droplets are slowly will come in contact and makes this one into a corrosion, made itself into corrosion. Okay, na? So now here in this diagram, I want to enlarge this one. This is the inside of a concrete gel. Inside of a concrete gel. Pay attention. The bigger patches, these bigger patches are called as capillary wall, capillary pores. These are called as capillary pores. Bigger white patches, bigger white patches. If still bigger patch is there, then that is called as air wide. Then that is called as air wide. Very important, this diagram. This smaller are called as capillary. Okay, na? Now only black color is there. No, only black color is called as gel. Is called as gel. Inside of a gel, you can see small dots. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये जो पूरा ब्लैक है ना, ये वेरी गुड ये जो पूरा ब्लैक है ना, इसको सीमेंट जेल बोलते हैं. और जो पूरा ब्लैक है उसमें भी छोटे छोटे व्हाइट पोर्स आर देयर. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? Very good. These small pores, white pores, are called as pore gel or gel pore. Reverse, both way. आप लोग पहले ये शब्द बहुत बार सुना है ना, जेल पोर्स, कैपिलरी पोर्स, जेल पोर्स, कैपिलरी पोर्स. यस और नो? Yes. Okay, na? See, these still small are called as gel pores or pore gel. Now you tell me, as soon as the cement is start hydrating, which pores are going to be filled first? अभी सीमेंट हाइड्रेशन और हो रहा है, धीरे धीरे हो रहा है. कौन से पोर्स फिल हो रहा है कंप्लीटली, विच आर बिकमिंग फुल सॉलिड? पोर जेल्स और कैपिलरी जेल्स? यू टेल मी. पोर जेल्स. वेरी गुड. पोर जेल्स मतलब जो छोटे हैं वो पहले फिल होते हैं ना. ಯಾವುದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿದೆ ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೋರ್ ಜೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಲರಿ ಜೆಲ್ may fill or may not fill. These are the causes of water leakages. याकंद्रे पहले जो वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो बहुत बढ़ गया ना, बहुत पानी रहता है. वो जो पानी है ना, हाइड्रेशन होने के लिए कंज्यूम हो रहा है, जो यूज नहीं हो रहा है वो ऐसे ही बैठ जाएगा. वो कैपिलरी जैसे यूज हो गया, हाइड्रेशन हो गया, ठीक है. नहीं यूज हो गया तो वो ऐसे ही बैठ जाएगा. बाद में वो एवापोरेट होके जाएगा. एवापोरेट होने के बाद इसमें क्या बचता है? कुछ भी नहीं बचता है. ಯಾವುದು ಉಳಿತದೆ? ಏನು ಉಳಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟರ್ ಎವಾಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ದಟ್ ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಲರೀಸ್. ದೋಸ್ ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಲರಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಾಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, these are next, they are going to lead cracks. When ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು capillary pores, if they join together, they will form crack. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like that you should understand. This is the structure of gel structure. Gel is very small. Gel pores are very small. Even if they are there, then their permeability is very less. Very small amount of water may pass through using gel pores. But if any water comes in contact with these capillary pores, it has got a high permeability, so more water will come. Can you see the bigger diagram now? The same thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
these big white patches are called as, you tell me,
Capillary
Capillary
pores.
pores.
capillary.
Capillary pores.
Very good, very good. These small pores are there. What are those?
Gel
Pore
pores.
gels.
Gel
Ah,
pores.
pure
Yeah.
pure black color. What is that? Pure black color. It is nothing but
Cement.
cement.
Cement paste.
Cement or hydrated cement. Cement or hydrated cement. Okay. Slowly as the cement, as the time proceeds, hydration जैसे जैसे हो रहा है तो जो छोटे छोटे पोर्स रहते हैं फिल होते फुल डेंस बन जाता है. Okay. Now you are becoming civil engineers. Okay. Now you are becoming what? Civil engineers. Okay. You have to understand these concepts. Okay. Still bigger is there. You cannot compare with gel pores and capillary pores with this one. What is this big void?
Entrapped air void.
Air void.
हाँ, entrapped air मतलब जब आप कॉम्पैक्शन करने के टाइम, वेरी गुड, जब आप कॉम्पैक्शन करते हैं अच्छे से नहीं किया, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, थोड़ा एयर अंदर बच जाता है. उस एयर को हम लोग इतना बड़ा डायग्राम में दिखा रहे हैं. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड द स्केल ऑफ द साइज? ओके ना? हाँ, इस डायग्राम को आप जितना अच्छा समझोगे उतना कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी इट विल बिकम वेरी वेरी इजी. इट विल बिकम वेरी वेरी इजी. नाउ सी हियर, फर्स्ट सी दिस वन. व्हाट इज दिस अनहाइड्रेटेड सीमेंट पार्टिकल? मतलब सीमेंट का जो एक पॉइंट है, सीमेंट का एक ग्रेन है, दैट इज दिस वन, सीमेंट पार्टिकल. जैसे जैसे उसको पानी ऐड होता है ना, सॉरी, जैसे जैसे इसको पानी ऐड होता है ना, उसका स्ट्रक्चर ऐसे बन रहा है. आर यू गेटिंग अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
उसका स्ट्रक्चर ऐसे, मतलब उसका साइज
Yes, sir.
इससे ये बड़ा है, थोड़ा बढ़ रहा है. इट इज बिकमिंग मोर एंड मोर. ओके ना? सो दैट टाइम वी कॉल इट एज जेल, सीमेंट जेल. सो वॉट एवर पोर्स आर देयर नो, दोज आर कॉल्ड एज जेल पोर्स. दोज आर कॉल्ड एज जेल पोर्स. नाउ पानी ज्यादा मिक्स कर दिया तो और बड़ा हो जाएगा, तो बड़े बड़े वेकेंट थिंग्स आर सी. व्हाट आर दोज कॉल्ड एज?
Capillary pores.
and cavities.
Capillary pores or cavities. Capillary pores or cavities. Now you understand. Very good. See here, this is the initial stage. One cement grain, second cement grain, third, fourth, fifth cement grain. मतलब ये सीमेंट पार्टिकल है. जब ये पानी रहता है ना, पानी और वॉल्यूम भी रहता है. फर्स्ट स्टेज में क्या होता है, जैसे ये स्टार्ट होता है ना, आपको मालूम है सीमेंट हाइड्रेशन विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सरफेस, करेक्ट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा माइन्यूटली ऑब्जर्व करो. सरफेस से हाइड्रेशन हो रहा है तो जल सरफेस से बढ़ रहा है, सरफेस से. कैन यू सी हियर? मोर जेल इज फॉर्म्ड, सो दिस एम्प्टी स्पेस इज गेटिंग फिल्ड विथ जेल, और एक आधा घंटा होने के बाद ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर आपको मिलेगा. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. सो इन द फोर्थ स्टेज यू गेट सीमेंट जेल, you get pores also, and you get what? These bigger dots.
Capillary pores also.
Very good. If your water cement ratio is more, matlab water cement ratio is more or water content is more, then this capillary pore size will be still bigger and number of capillary pores will be still larger. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಲರಿ ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಸೈಜು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ತದ ಮತ್ತು ನಂಬರ್ಸು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಯಾವಾಗ? ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is very important concept. Okay,
Yes,
na?
sir.
This is a typical structure of that hydrated cement paste. Can you see what are these big structure are called as capillary, small are called as gel pores. Solid structure is called as gel. See here in this diagram, more clear. Okay, now cement paste. Okay, here like this the cement particles are combining with water particles. So at the next stage it is forming what? Gel. Intermediate state, this is the final state. How that interlinking gel is created? Only one cement particle has grown to this much level. What is this? Before hydration. Dark blue color is after hydration. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Only light blue, sky blue is unhydrated cement, dark blue is hydrated cement. See, this is a pink. Sorry, what is this color? Brown color. No, brown color is just started hydration, so that size is becoming more and more. Okay, na? Like that. Okay, this concept is clear. Hydration of cement, very important. Okay, na?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So we will have talk on this one now. 1 minute. Okay. So strength and durability we have seen. Strength is load carrying capacity. Durability is aggressive environment sustaining capacity. Which is good? Which is more important for you people now?
Durability, sir.
Durability is more important.
Durability.
So now you tell me, by in decreasing water cement ratio, whether durability can be achieved by
Yes, sir,
decreasing
it will.
water cement ratio. Huh?
No, sir.
Durability will increase, sir.
By decreasing water cement ratio, durability can be achieved. How? You tell me. Decreasing water cement ratio, this capillary pores size is reduced, numbers is reduced, so permeability is controlled. So permeability control मतलब पानी बाहर से अंदर नहीं आ सकता या केमिकल्स अंदर नहीं आ सकते हैं, तो अपना कंक्रीट स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड ड्यूरेबल, स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड ड्यूरेबल. इज दैट ओके? By decreasing what?
Water cement
cement
ratio.
Water
Very
cement
good,
ratio.
very good, very good, very good. Okay, na? So, effect of volume change in concrete durability. ये अच्छा है या बुरा है? Volume change is not good thing. Volume change is always bad thing for durability. क्या हो रहा है volume change होने से? Volume कम हो रहा है तो capillary pores बढ़ रहे, capillary pores बढ़ रहे. How to control volume change? What are the causes? हीट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन, पोज़ोलाना एक्शन, कार्बोनेशन, मॉइस्चर मूवमेंट, ये सब चीजों से अपना वॉल्यूम चेंज हो रहा है. Definition of durability. What do you mean by definition of durability? It is ability to resist weathering action, chemical attack, abrasion, and other process of deterioration. Its ability to resist all these things, we call it as durability. What we have discussed in other context, aggressive environment. In the aggressive environment, these are present, no? Weathering, chemical attack, abrasion, everything will be there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ ड्यूरेबिलिटी. क्यों हमको इसको पढ़ना चाहिए, क्यों हमको इसको समझना चाहिए? ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಡ್ಯೂರೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ क्योंकि कोई भी बिल्डिंग हो वो नॉर्मल कंडीशन में नहीं रहता है. ಯಾವುದೇ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆನೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು come in contact with different types of soil. So that is why we want to study the durability. And always there is a pollution in the present day. Always there is a pollution in the present day. And also we want to study the different behaviors of different materials. हमको समुद्र के किनारे वो कैसा आएगा, गटर के किनारे वो कैसा आएगा, गार्डन में कैसा आएगा, वो जो कंक्रीट है वो कैसा आएगा, we want to study. So that is why we want to know about durability things. Now you tell me, what are the factor, how this water cement ratio is affecting? अभी तो 10 बार बोला ना, 10 बार बोला. वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो बढ़ाने से पोर्स बढ़ेगा, पोर्स बढ़ने से
Capillary pores increase.
वेरी गुड. परमिएबिलिटी इंक्रीज, परमिएबिलिटी ज्यादा कम होने से वॉल्यूम चेंज होता है. वॉल्यूम चेंज से क्या होता है?
Cracks form.
Cracks.
ओके. क्रैक होने के बाद डिसइंटीग्रेशन, डिसइंटीग्रेशन होने के बाद क्या होता है?
Failure
फेलियर,
of concrete.
collapse. So water cement ratio is very, very, very dangerous. You should understand high water cement ratio, high permeability, volume change, cracks, collapse. You should understand like that. Okay, na? So always try to decrease the water cement ratio. Always try to decrease the water cement ratio. So how that is helpful? लो वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो इफ यू आर यूजिंग, अगर आप लोग लो वाटर सीमेंट कम कर रहा है तो कार्बन अटैक से स्ट्रांग होता है, केमिकल को अंदर आने नहीं देता है, स्टील को भी कोरोजन होने नहीं देता है, ಕಾರ್ಬೊನೇಷನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದು if water cement ratio is less. If water cement ratio is less. Permeability andre ಏನಪ್ಪ? If there is some body, if water is coming like this and water is going like this, is it permeable or is it impermeable?
Permeable. Permeable.
How much water is allowing to pass through that one? That capacity is called as permeability. Now, cloth, high permeable? Yes. Steel,
Yes, sir.
low permeable? Steel, low permeable? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Brick, medium permeable? Yes. Concrete, medium permeable, you can make it strong. You can make it impermeable also by giving proper mix design. Okay, na? That is what. How that permeability will start in concrete? There must be some small pores, no, like this. Yes or no?
Yes,
अगर आपके कंक्रीट में ऐसे पोर्स रहने से ही पानी ऐसे आके ऐसे जाएगा, करेक्ट और नॉट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो ये क्रैक्स भी हो सकता है ना, वो पोर्स भी हो सकता है, क्रैक भी हो सकता है, जो भी अंदर जो भी डिफॉल्ट है, अंदर फॉल्ट है, that is the main cause of permeability. The cracks which are present in transition zone, cracks which are present in micro cracks, transition zone, other shrinkage cracks, other cracks, drying shrinkage cracks, creep cracks, whatever that is there, no? So those things are causing permeability. Those things are causing permeability. Now you tell me, have you seen this gel pores and capillary pores in the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Which has more permeable, capillary or gel pores?
Capillary, sir.
Very good, very good. I'm watching everyone ना, यार आंसर मारता है इधर, यार मारता है ला, ना नोटता है, लास्ट में उनको गाना गाना ही पड़ेगा. सच में बोल रहा हूँ, सच में बोल रहा हूँ, सबको देख रहा हूँ मैं. ओके, बी रेडी फॉर सिंगिंग. हाँ. Okay, now you tell me, gel pores has more permeability or capillary pores are more permeable?
Capillary.
Very good, because they have more size. See here, gel pores permeability
Capillary
is
pores.
very good. Gel pores permeability is 7 into 10 to the power minus 16 meter per second. Okay, na permeability, and they are 1 divided by 100. Matlab 1% of the paste. They are only 1% of the paste. Generally, gel pores do not contribute to permeability because these are very, very small. These are very, very small. But what about these capillary pores? These are the main causes of permeability. These are the main causes of permeability. If capillary pores are more, then permeability increases and concrete is going to collapse. Is that okay? So that is why high water cement ratio has to be avoided. Mortar, what are the reasons? In mortar, if there are any cracks, which are present during fresh concrete stage, those stage concrete cracks are propagated further during hardened stage when that load is applied. समझ में आ गया आपको ये चीज? mortar ಒಳಗ ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಮೈನ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ mortar ಒಳಗ, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ mortar ಒಳಗ during fresh concrete stage. When it hardens, the cracks are there, but they are not active. Once the load is applied, the cracks will propagate. मतलब cracks धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है. So that is called as cracks in mortar. The reason of permeability. What is the reason of permeability in concrete? These are the cracks. Cracks are the permeability. Okay, now can you see here? Permeability doubles or 100 times will be increased when you increase water cement ratio from 0.4 to 0.7. So that is why the maximum at site you generally keep 0.4%. 0.4%. Now you tell me, what is there in the x-axis? Capillary porosity, under capillary pores. What is happening in y-axis? Permeability or coefficient of permeability. As the capillary porosity increases, permeability is
Increasing.
Increasing.
very good.
Increase.
Very good.
Increasing.
Now you here x-axis water cement ratio, y-axis coefficient of permeability. as the water cement ratio increases, coefficient of permeability is
Increasing.
Increases.
very good, very good.
Increasing.
Very good. समझ में आ रहा है अभी चीजें सभी सभी सबको अर्थ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you tell me. I will draw one more graph. Water cement ratio here, porosity here, capillary porosity in y-axis. How I should draw? Like this or like this? Which one?
First one, sir.
Everyone?
First one.
Very good. As the water cement ratio increasing, capillary pores are also increasing. Very good. Now you are becoming a perfect civil engineer. Very good. Okay. Permeability means we have seen which is more permeable, cement paste or mortar or concrete. You tell me. There is a cement paste. There is a mortar. There is a concrete. See here, cement paste means cement and water. Cement mortar means cement, sand, water. Concrete means cement, sand, aggregate and water. Which has more permeable?
Cement paste.
Sir,
Cement paste.
No. Concrete
Sir,
is
concrete.
more permeable. Paste is less permeable. Paste is less permeable. Okay, because these contains aggregates, no? So aggregates are in the form of colloidal state. So as there is a interaction between aggregate and this paste, there is a weak zone. That zone we call it as a transition zone. So in the transition zone, already cracks will be there. So these cracks will give more permeability. But in cement paste, only cement water, only cement water, only cement water. So that network is very, very strong. That network is very, very strong. So less permeable. Mortar means intermediate state. Okay, you can decide your own. Okay, okay. How to control this permeability? मुझे एक बात बताओ, आपको कंक्रीट अच्छा होना है के लिए permeability, whether it should be less or whether it should be more, you tell me.
Less, sir.
Yes, sir.
It should be less.
Very good. Very good. Permeability should always be less. How to make that less permeable? You can use pozzolana, you can use air entrain, you can use high pressure steam cure. High pressure steam cure. By using these methods, you can reduce the permeability. Now, three things are there: permeability, volume change, cracking. How these are interconnected? How these are interconnected? Now I will explain. Permeability P, volume change V, and last one is what? Cracking. Cracking.
Yes, sir.
Last one is
Cracking.
cracking. This is one cycle, Baba. One cycle is ಯಾವ cycle? Atlas ಅಲ್ಲ, continuous cycle.
PVC.
Okay. PVC cycle. Okay, Baba. Okay. Hercules, Baba. Hercules. Correct. Very good. Okay. Anushri, ಯಾವ cycle ರೀ? Anushri escape. ಭಾವನಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಯಾವ ಸೈಕಲ್? ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್. ಇರ್ಷಾದ್ ಯಾವ ಸೈಕಲ್?
PVC cycle.
PVC ಅಲ್ಲೋ, ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲ, ಆದಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಲೇಡಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಕಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಿ ಯರ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆತಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. फर्स्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट इन हिंदी, लेटर आई विल कम. परमिएबिलिटी अगर ये थोड़ा थोड़ा ज्यादा हो रहा है तो बहुत सारा पानी अंदर आएगा और केमिकल रिएक्शन होके कुछ खराब होके श्रिंकेज होगा, कुछ तो होगा, लफड़ा होके वॉल्यूम चेंज हो जाएगा. वॉल्यूम चेंज होने से धीरे धीरे वो क्रैक्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. जो भी है वो क्रैक्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. वो क्रैक्स बोलते हैं. क्रैक्स बढ़ने से और परमिएबिलिटी ज्यादा होगा. क्रैक्स का मतलब है वो कैविटीज ना. क्रैक्स होने से और परमिएबिलिटी और वॉल्यूम चेंज से और क्रैक्स, ऐसे बढ़ते लास्ट में कोलैप्स. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಒಳಗ, ಅದು ವಾಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಶ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಶ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಕ್ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಕ್ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಕ್ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಲಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಕ್ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರನ ಪರ್ಮಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸೋ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಬೋತ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಪರ್ಮಿಯಬಲ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್, again volume change, again permeable, like this. It is a continuous cycle. Again, it is a continuous cycle. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to understand durability in terms of cracks. Now hang study ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We are going to understand the durability with reference to cracks. With reference to cracks. How to rotate this page here? Is there any command is there? How to rotate? Whether it is going to rotate like this?
सर अगर वो PDF रहा तो नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा. एक मिनट कहीं तो मिलेगा यार.
सर राइट
एक बार
क्लिक करके
किया
ऑप्शंस
नहीं, उसमें नहीं है वो जस्ट देखा. एक सेकंड, इधर कहीं पे देखा था मैंने. इधर है ना रोटेट. हाँ, अभी इज दैट ओके?
यस सर.
इज दैट ओके?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
हाँ, अभी देखो क्रैक्स को हम दो पार्ट्स में स्टडी कर सकते. देखो हम लोग स्टडी कर रहा है ड्यूरेबिलिटी. इज दैट ओके? अभी ड्यूरेबिलिटी को हम लोग डिवाइड किया. कैसे? ड्यूरेबिलिटी इज नथिंग बट वॉल्यूम चेंज. सॉरी, ड्यूरेबिलिटी इज नथिंग बट क्रैक्स. मतलब क्रैक्स आया तो वो अनड्यूरेबल है, क्रैक्स नहीं है तो वो ड्यूरेबल है. इज दैट ओके नाउ? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes, sir.
you see here we have two stages: fresh concrete, hard concrete. So during fresh state also you have cracks, correct? Sorry, during fresh state also you have cracks. After hardening also you have crack. Okay, so in the pre-hardening ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Pre-hardening ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? The what is that pre-hardening? Fresh state. Pre-hardening मतलब हार्ड होने से पहले. Okay ना? Now you see here, where is that? Where is this? Okay. What is the first type of crack? We are studying causes. We are studying causes in the body. How the cracks are there. Okay ना? Due to constructional movement cracks हो सकता है. आप थोड़ा सोचो, अभी आप ऐसे कंक्रीट को डाल रहे हैं फॉर्मवर्क में. This is formwork. Inside you are putting the concrete now. Now, whether it is going to, if you disturb this formwork, whether cracks are going to come?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? हाँ, एक दो चीजें हैं. कैसे चीजें हैं? ये एक फॉर्मवर्क डिस्टर्ब होना है, और ये जो सपोर्ट रहता है ना, सपोर्ट के नीचे जो सॉइल रहता है ना, अगर सॉइल से पानी निकाल दिया गया तो ये सॉइल और नीचे जाएगा. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
थोड़ा
sir.
आंसर करो. इसको समझने के लिए थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा. जो एक कंक्रीट सपोर्ट है वो जो सॉइल के ऊपर है, और सॉइल जो है वो पानी निकालने से वो सेटल हो रहा है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सबग्रेड सेटलमेंट. नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಕೇಳು, ಇದು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ये भी नीचे आएगा ना? यस और नो? ये भी नीचे आता है, और ये भी नीचे आने से ये भी डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. ये डिस्टर्ब होने से अंदर का कंक्रीट में क्रैक आता है. आर यू गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, sir? Very good. Now that is called as movement of formwork. Now this subgrade settlement is due to moisture change. Do you agree? ಪಾನಿ अंदर जाने से बाहर आने से, ನೀರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಕ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು? ಸ್ವೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇದು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನೀರ್ ಬಂದು पानी आके लग के जाने से ये थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा ना, टिम्बर का स्पेसिमेन. यस और नो?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके ना, जो टिम्बर जो बड़ा होता है तो उसके लिए भी क्रैक आता है. हाउ टू कंट्रोल दिस वन? बाय हैविंग सबग्रेड कंट्रोल, बाय हैविंग करेक्ट फार्मर. इस सबग्रेड को अच्छा सा कॉम्पैक्ट करके इसको प्रोटेक्ट करने से ये रेमेडी हम लोग कर सकता है. इस फार्मर को अच्छा सा स्टील से मटेरियल, इफ यू आर यूजिंग स्टील एंड ऑल, यू कैन कंट्रोल दिस टाइप ऑफ क्रैक्स. इज दिस concept clear, this total concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everything is clear? Okay, okay, very good.
Yes.
Now sorry. Now during fresh concrete only, next type of causes, settlement shrinkage. I will just try to imagine the drawing. Okay na, here I will draw. ऐसा एक कंक्रीट है, फ्रेश स्टेट हो गया और हार्डनिंग होने के टाइम सब लोग सेटल हो रहा है ना, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ऐसे यूनिफॉर्म सेटलमेंट होने से क्रैक्स नहीं आता है. By having uniform settlement of fresh concrete, cracks will not come. But what is we have inside the concrete? You have aggregate which are heavier, which will settle faster. We have sand and cement which will settle slow, and we have water which does not settle. So this ununiform settlement is causing cracks. Is causing what? Cracks. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
No,
sir.
This is called as settlement crack.
Yes, sir.
In other words, if there is some reinforcement bar is there inside, something will go below easily, something will not go easily. So this is also making what? Ununiform settlement. So this ununiform settlement in this case and in this case, both are causing cracks. How to control these things? By proper mix design. ಅಂದ್ರೆ aggregate cholo quality, sand cholo quality, cement ಒಳ್ಳೆ quality. If you are using very good quality and very good mix design and very good mixing machine and very good compaction, then this settlement cracks can be controlled. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Now shrinkage cracks. See, in fresh concrete, we have seen plastic shrinkage and we have seen drain shrinkage, correct or not? Okay. So those two things have been written here. Plastic shrinkage, drain shrinkage. What is the reason of this shrinkage and this cracks? Some chemical reaction and some loss of water. Here also some loss of water is taking place. That is why cracks are coming. So here, why it is happening plastic shrinkage? Lot of hydration is taking place. So lot of chemical reaction. So that is why this shrinkage. Why happening this drain shrinkage? Lot of sunlight is falling, lot of wind is there, lot of humidity is there. So that is why this shrinkage is happening. So control that one. What is the remedy? Revibration in this case and proper protection in this case. Revibration मतलब क्या है? जैसे धीरे धीरे क्रैक्स आने को स्टार्ट होता है ना, just start vibrating slowly for 1 minute, the cracks will go. Here, by giving proper protection to the concrete, such that cover, polythene sheets, water spraying, water steam, so you can control the cracks. Whether this concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this stage is what stage? What is this stage?
After hardening.
After hardening.
After hardening, you can have cracks. What are the reasons of that cracks? We are studying the reasons. Okay, na? So, where is it? Review. What are the reasons? First reason, drying shrinkage. That is also there, no? What we have seen? Fresh concrete to just hard to full hard. So this shrinkage will come in both cases, before hardening, after hardening. We have seen just now, no? Drying shrinkage. Nodidivelu just.
Yes, sir.
Okay, drying shrinkage is nothing but loss of water. This will happen in slabs and wall. So by proper mixing, by proper water control, you can control this one. Next is केमिकल एक्शन, केमिकल एक्शन, कंक्रीट में क्रैक्स कैसे आता है केमिकल एक्शन से? यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस ग्राफ, ओके ना? कंक्रीट, what is happening? Expansion of some material is taking place. Expansion of some material. We have seen, no, soundness test of cement. We have seen it or not? ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ ಸೌಂಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್? See here, in concrete or in cement, if any undesirable materials are there, suppose in this concrete, undesirable material such as
Late
calcium,
reaction causing sound.
very good, very good, some magnesium, some calcium, which are undesirable products, these things will not react with water initial stage, but after hardening, slowly these are going to react. When these are going to react, their volume is going to increase. Their volume is going to increase, which is happening inside the body of concrete. Something which is happening inside the body of concrete and it is bulging. So what it will make? What it will make to the surface? ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ?
Cracks.
Very good. Something is making that one bulging, no? So on the surface, you are going to see the cracks. So in concrete, what are the causes? Reactive aggregate or reactive cement. How to control that thing? Low alkali cement. It is called by low alkali cement. Another thing, if there is like concrete, if there is a steel bar, what is happening to this steel bar if it is rusting? Whether its volume is increasing or decreasing? Corrosion of steel?
Decreasing.
Decreasing.
No. There will be coating of a ferrous oxide, correct or not? There is this steel bar is there, no? If it is made up of Fe. So in the presence of moisture, rusting will take place. So in the rusting, ferrous oxide is formed whose volume is large, which is going to deposit on the bar, deposit on this bar like this. And once this bar size is obviously increasing, what will happen to the surface?
Crack.
Very good, simple. So those are the two causes of the cracking in concrete and steel. Now you tell me temperature. How that is making that concrete to crack? See here, during how to rotate this one? Page layout. Rotate. Okay, now how this is causing? Differential expansion and contraction, heat of hydration, low heat cement you can use. See here, internally what is happening here? If there is a concrete, inside reaction is taking place fast, so more heat is liberated. If more heat is liberated, what is happening to the surface? You tell me.
Cracks.
Very good. That is called as internal temperature change. External temperature change. Okay. If there is a daytime. Okay. Now what is happening here? Daytime, top of that structure is heated, but bottom of that structure is not heated. ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಮನಿ ಒಳಗ್ ಕುಂತೀರಿ, ಒಳಗಿನ ಗಾಡಿ ತಂಪ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಹೊರಗಿನ ಗಾಡಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಇರ್ತದ. जब आप घर के अंदर बैठते हैं, अंदर का दीवार कूल रहता है, बाहर का दीवार गर्म रहता है. तो क्या होता है, ये गर्म हो रहा है तो एक्सपांशन हो रहा है, ये कूल है तो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है. तो दिस डिफरेंशियल change in the temperature will make that concrete to crack. These things will happen only in larger surface area, such as the slab, such as the roof, such as concrete road, such as pavement. Okay, na? Other normal small things, these things will not take place. This is about internal chemical change. How to control this one? We can control using this one. We can control by providing expansion joint and contraction joint. We can provide expansion joint and contraction joint. What is this external cause? In the external cause, frost and ice. See here what is happening. If this is a concrete, fresh concrete, initially it is water is there. Try to understand. Initially there is a water molecules are there. Suddenly some temperature is becoming negative or less than 0. So this water is converted into
Ice caps.
ice. And ice volume is same or it is larger than water?
Larger than water.
Very
Larger
good.
than water.
If it is larger than water inside a concrete, so what type of load it is causing here? What type of action it is causing? क्या हो रहा है?
Expansion.
Expansion, and suddenly the surface is going to crack. Very good. So अंदर छोटा जो बड़ा हो रहा है, अंदर जो छोटा है वो बड़ा हो रहा है, so obviously surface पे pressure पड़ेगा ही. So there will be pressure exerted on the surface, so that is why it is going to be cracked. So that is called as external. That is called as external climate change, external action. So this is about that. Structural failure क्या होता है? स्ट्रक्चरल फेलियर क्या होता है? आपने अच्छा सा डिजाइन ही नहीं किया कंक्रीट को, तब वो फेल हो सकता है. यस और नो? इफ कंक्रीट इज नॉट डिजाइन्ड, you are using M20 grade concrete for road, but on the vehicle movement M40 grade was required. M40 grade was required. What will happen to the concrete?
Failure occurs.
It is going to fail. How to control that one? How to control that failures?
Provide M40.
Provide M40. That means you have to correctly design. What you have to do? You have to design correctly. Wherever I am marking, whether it is seen parallelly, whatever I am marking, no, like this, whether it is seen there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So
Yes,
this is what.
Yes, sir.
Very good. To control this frost action, what you should do?
Air entrant and sound concrete.
Very good. You have to mix a concrete with air entraining admixture. To control this climatic changed cracks, what you have to do? What you have to do? You have to provide expansion and contraction joint. You have to provide expansion and contraction joint. Okay, na? Okay. So we have seen these things, various types. Before hardening, what you have seen? Drying, plastic shrinkage, settlement shrinkage, bleeding also gives cracks, delayed curing also gives cracks. So these are constructional difficulties, no? Correct or not? Formwork movement, excess vibration, subgrade settlement, finishing, and early frost damage. All these are causes of cracks before hardening. Before hardening. This is a table, small table. After hardening, what cracks will come? Due to unsound material. Now, unsound material. Later they will going to react, which are present in cement also, aggregate also, if excess silt, mud, dust is present. Okay. Long-term drying shrinkage also will give cracks. What is thermal? If any temperature change is happening, such as heat of hydration, external temperature due to sunlight, okay, due to joints in concrete, elevated temperature, freezing and thawing, sub-zero temperature, if any increase or decrease, then that will lead to cracks. Apart from that, moisture movement, if from the body of concrete, if water is going away, that time also cracks will come. If sometime water is coming inside, that time also cracks may come. That is called as moisture movement. Transition zone, that means in a aggregate, in a concrete, in that aggregate, wherever that is interlinked with the paste, no, this zone is called as a transition zone. There cracks are going to come. Biological means kya hai? Biological, what do you mean by biological? Biological means if some trees are growing on the concrete surface, then those things will lead to cracks. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Structural design deficiency means what? If you are not designed properly, lesser strength you have provided, that time also you can go for this one. Chemical problems are there. sulfate attack, alkali aggregate, acid attack, seawater, carbonation, chloride attack. All these attacks of chemicals on concrete will lead to cracks. The last one is what? Corrosion. The last one is what? Corrosion is the main source of cracking. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? This is the table. Okay, na? We'll go fast. Before hardening, what we have seen, we'll just rewind once again. We will rewind once again. So, due to drying, before hardening, try to imagine concrete is in fresh state. Concrete is in still fresh. वो हार्ड नहीं हुआ है, तब क्या क्या क्रैक कर सकता है बोलो? प्लास्टिक श्रिंकेज, सेटलमेंट श्रिंकेज, ब्लीडिंग, डिलेड क्यूरिंग. ब्लीडिंग भी आएगा ना? यस और नो? ओके, ये भी आएगा. फॉर्मवर्क, एक्सेस, अपग्रेड, फिनिशिंग, एवरीथिंग विल कम.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What we have seen, plastic shrinkage. What is the main reason of plastic shrinkage cracks? What is happening in plastic shrinkage? You tell me. What do you mean by plastic? Ah, very good. There is a loss of water, fresh state to hard state. Sorry, just hard. So this is called as plastic shrinkage. Loss of water, loss of moisture, hydration of cement. So all these things are making water less inside the body of concrete. So that time volume is reduced. That is called as the plastic shrinkage, and reduction in volume will make that surface of concrete to crack. Is that understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everyone
Yes,
know?
sir.
Okay. How to control that plastic shrinkage? These are the points. You can moist the subgrade. मतलब पानी डालो थोड़ा सा. Okay ना? Temporary wind breakers. मतलब इधर concrete है, इधर बड़ा सा एक छत खड़ा करो. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಹಾಳೆಲೆ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಟೆಂಪರರಿ रूफ कंस्ट्रक्ट करो. ओकेना? reduce the time between placing and finishing. मतलब क्या है? जैसे जैसे आप कंक्रीट को प्लेस कर रहे हैं ना, start doing finishing also. That time the plastic shrinkage cracks will not come. Minimize the evaporation. Minimize the evaporation. Is that okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. If that
Yes,
still cracks are there, if still plastic shrinkage cracks are there, what you have to do? Take cement slurry, just put it there, rub it clearly, and put some cement paste here. Put some cement paste, press it, make it level. That is the how to arrest these cracks. How to arrest these cracks. Okay na? Settlement cracks we have seen, formwork settlement and subgrade settlement. Both things you have seen or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ settlement cracks ಅನ್ನ. Yes or no, Baba? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How to control? Concrete has to be placed in layer by layer. Strong formwork, strong subgrade, everything if you are provide, you can control what? Settlement cracks. And as well as you can do for revibration of concrete, as well as revibration of concrete. Bleeding is the main cause of crack. It will take cement particles to the top, make that slurry, and once it is washed away, so cracks are going to come. How to control bleeding? Use less water cement ratio. Water cement ratio, proper design mix, everything, revibration, everything is explained. Okay. What is this delayed curing? ये भी cracks हो सकता है. आपको ನೀವು ಕ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ 24 hours ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು 4 ದಿನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್.
Yes, sir.
कैसे?
Due to dry.
वेरी गुड. उसको
Evaporation.
हाँ, उसको एक्सप्लेन करना. देखो, एक दिन के बाद क्यूरिंग स्टार्ट करना था, क्योंकि पानी खत्म होते जा रहा है कंक्रीट के अंदर. वी नीड मोर वाटर, वी रिक्वायर मोर वाटर फॉर हाइड्रेशन ऑफ सीमेंट. So that is why after 24 hours you should start curing. But you are waiting for 4 days. In this 4 days, what is happening? All the water is dried up, so cracks are going to come. Okay, na? That is what delayed cure. It's not delayed curing. This we have seen, no? Formwork movement. Formwork movement is that side supports are vibrated. तो क्या होता है? क्रैक्स होता है कि नहीं होता है?
Yes, sir. होता है.
Okay. और वाइब्रेशन आप ज्यादा करने से क्रैक होता है नहीं होता है? इफ यू कंटिन्यूअसली वाइब्रेटिंग दिस फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम यूजिंग दैट नीडल वाइब्रेटर, whether that cracks are going to come or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Cracks are going to come. These things we have seen. Subgrade settlement, That means this is a concrete, there is a soil underneath. If water is taken away from this underneath soil, so this soil is going to settle. Along with that, what will settle?
Concrete.
And also settles. So the concrete settles, obviously it is going to lead the cracks. It is going
Cracks.
to lead the cracks. Very good, very good, very good. See here, finishing. See, by doing proper finishing, cracks will not come. By doing improper finishing, cracks will come, or poor finishing. Okay, na? We have seen this one, frost damage, that inside concrete water molecules under sub-zero temperature will become ice crystals whose volume is larger than water molecules. This larger volume will put pressure on the surface, on the concrete, so that cracks are going to come. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. And what is this cracks of concrete after hardening? What are the things? Unsound materials. See here, all these things, just now we have seen it in this graph. Same thing we are discussing. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Same things only we are discussing, no problem. Okay, long-term drying shrinkage, thermal shrinkage. So we are going to see one by one slowly. Okay, unsound material means what? If that cement or aggregate or any unwanted material is there, initially that they are not going to react with water, but as the time passes on, later on they are going to react, and after reaction they are going to bulge. After some time they are going to bulge. So these type of materials are called as
Unsound material.
these are dangerous for cracking. Long-term drying shrinkage, same thing. Long-term drying shrinkage means what? What is happening? Loss of water due to hydration, due to evaporation. Both are taking place. So that is why cracks are going to come. So that is the problem with that one. Thermal shrinkage. Thermal shrinkage का मतलब क्या है?
Temperature variation.
हाँ, अगर अंदर कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है, टेम्परेचर में कम हो रहा है, तो that is why the things are going to come. Can you see this big diagram? What is this? ये क्या है?
Dam.
डैम का वॉल है ना, वाटर रिटेनिंग स्ट्रक्चर है ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसका जब आप फ्रेश कंक्रीट रहता है ना, ये तो अभी हार्ड है. फ्रेश कंक्रीट जो रहता है ना, कंक्रीट जैसे जैसे reaction of hydration is taking place, heat is liberated or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Yes or no? Correct? Everyone, please
Yes, sir.
answer. This is very important concept. Fixed question will come. This is called as a problem with mass concrete. This is called as problem with mass concrete. Mass का मतलब क्या है? बहुत ज़्यादा concrete डाल रहे हैं उधर. Okay ना? So what is happening? Just to try to understand. Simple. अगर ये पूरा fresh concrete समझो, पूरा ये fresh concrete. Okay ना? Now, as the concrete is hydrating, slowly heat is liberated. Slowly heat is liberated. Near the surface, heat can escape easily. Near the surface, the concrete's heat can escape easily. But what will happen to this interior region? There is no heat escape. There is no heat escape. So, the outer surface is cooling down rapidly, and interior surface is not cooling down rapidly. Still, it is very, very hot. This is very, very cool. Now, you tell me, same concrete structure, one side it is cool, another side which is interior, it is very, very hot. The temperature difference may be, inside may be 50 degree, outside may be 20 degree or 25 degree. How much is the difference in temperature?
30. It will
30
develop
degree.
cracks.
It will develop crack. This is called as temperature differential cracks. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕ ಆಕಾಶ್? मानसी, इसको क्या बोलते हैं मैडम? मानसी मैडम?
Temperature differential cracks.
cracks. Okay, गायत्री मैडम ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ? ಮಂಜು ಗುಡೇನವರ್,
Temperature differential.
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮನ್ಗುಳಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ್ರಿ?
Temperature differential correct.
ಹಾ, ಬೇಸರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಕ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ತರ ಹಿಂಗ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಕರ್ವ್? ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. This is directly taken from the internet sources. This is surface, correct? This is interior of that concrete structure. Can you see the color change?
Yes, sir.
This much difference is there. So top is cool down, but bottom is hot. Bottom is hot. Okay, na? Okay. Can you see this is a big concrete foundation? What is happening here? Interior surface very, very hot, but exterior zones are very cool. So this is temperature differential is causing that is cracking. How to control? देखो इसमें दो तरफ से चीजें कर सकते हैं. कैसे? कैसे भी करके ये जो टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस है ना, ये 40 है, ये 25 है, जो भी 15 डिग्री का डिफरेंस है ना, इसको कम करना है बस. इसको तो धीरे धीरे स्लो करने दो. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್? ದ ಔಟರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಲ್ಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ಲಿ. The outer surface is getting cooled rapidly, so that is why this temperature differential is creating. If we provide a formwork, or if we are not removing that formwork, the surface is covered so that heat is not escaping from the surface. So the temperature is also 40 degree here. Now you have understood? समझ में आ रहा है ये बात? हाँ, अगर आपने अंदर या surface, in both cases, if you are maintaining the temperature same, then the temperature differential is not going to be there. So you can cover the formwork that time also. In second case, which is highest reacting element in the concrete?
C3S.
Yes.
C3S. It is fast reacting, it is giving reaction. Try to avoid this one. So what will happen? Slow reaction will take place. Use the admixture. Use what? Low heat cement. Use low reacting cement, so that reaction is very, very slow. So the temperature is also very, very slowly increasing. As soon as it is coming nearer to the surface, it is maybe dissipated, so that much of the difference is not there. Much of the difference is not there. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the body.
Yes,
inside. Inside highest temperature, outside low temperature, blue color. So the cracks are appearing. So what is happening here? Cracks are appearing. Okay, na? See here the big diagram, big concrete structure. Inside very high temperature, outside very low temperature. This is making that concrete to burst. Concrete to burst. Can you see the difference? Interior surface and exterior surface. What is the difference of temperature?
20 degree.
See here, interior it may be 60 degree, but exterior it may be 40 degree at any time. At any time, the differential is 20 degree. अगर टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस आ रहा है तो सॉम में आपको एक फॉर्मूला याद आता होगा. स्ट्रेन ड्यू टू चेंज इन टेम्परेचर, अल्फा टी ई. नेनपिदೆಯಾ? सबको याद है क्या? अरे बाबा, कहाँ गए तुम लोग?
Yes, sir.
लो एवरीवन, कोई है? आवाज दो. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes, sir.
Sir, repeat the formula.
Repeat the
Formula और एक बार बोलो सर.
फॉर्मूला. ये याद है क्या?
Temperature is
ಏನು ಇದು? ಏನಿದು? ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲ್ತಿರಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇನ್ ಸಾಮ್?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Change in length
Change in length due to
due to temperature
Due to
change.
Temperature.
very good. Where capital T is change in temperature, is modulus of elasticity. ಹೌದಾ? And alpha is बोलो,
Temperature
alpha क्या?
coefficient.
Coefficient of thermal expansion. Coefficient of thermal expansion. ओके ना? नाउ इसी फॉर्मूला को कंक्रीट को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं क्या? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So concrete has also its alpha. There is also temperature change and there is a Young's modulus. We have learned Young's modulus for concrete. So when you add this one, you will get what? Change in what?
Temperature.
Length.
Length or dimension. So अगर concrete में change in dimension हो रहा है तो क्या आने का मतलब है उधर? Very
Cracks.
good. Finally आप लोग civil engineer बन गया. Okay ना? So like that you have to understood. Okay? Is that okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay na? See. So this is about heat of hydration. These are some of the formula. So we are interested in which formula? Coefficient of thermal expansion. Thermal conductivity क्या है? एक element. How easily it is conducting the heat. How easily it is conducting the heat. That is thermal conductivity. Thermal diffusivity. One body of concrete or anything, if the temperature here is 40 degree and if the temperature is 20 degree, how it is diffusing, how it is making that distribution of temperature, that is called as thermal diffusivity. Specific heat to raise the concrete temperature from 20 degree to 21 degree. That means to raise it by 1 degree Celsius, how much heat is to be given, how much heat is to be provided. That is called as specific heat. Coefficient of thermal expansion, for 1 degree raise in temperature, how much change in the length, how much change in the length. So that is why we call it as coefficient of thermal expansion. Okay, is that okay for everyone? So what is
Yes, sir.
what is happening in mass concrete work? Large amount of heat is liberated because it is a full big structure, correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That big structure is making that large amount of temperature change. So that is why heat of hydration is more, temperature differential. So you get what? You'll get what?
Differential strain.
Differential
Differential
strain.
strain. Strain is, that is delta L is nothing but alpha delta T E, correct? Huh? So at the interior, more temperature, so more increase. At the exterior, less change in temperature, less increase. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹಿಂಗ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತೆ, ಚೌಕ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ಹಿಂಗ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತೆ. So that is why that strain is going to develop. Is that okay? How to control this one? How to control? You tell me. How to control this one? By control heat. Don't cool rapidly. I told no. Don't cool rapidly. Slowly cool down karna hai. By covering with the formwork. Don't remove that formwork. Okay. If you provide good reinforcement, then also you can do. If you are using pozzolana cement, okay, high volume fly ash cement, then also you can control. Thermal expansion and shrinkage, we have just now seen, no? During daytime, temperature is different. During night time, temperature is different. So what is happening? During daytime, it is expanding. During night time, it is contracting. What is happening here? Expansion, contraction. Like this continuous, they are happening. So it will lead to what?
Cracks.
Cracking.
Very good. It will lead to cracks. So daytime and nighttime. During summer and winter, so there is again temperature difference, correct or not? During summer, hot temperature, that time all the buildings will expand. During winter, buildings will start to contract. So that is why the cracks are going to come. Thermal and this one. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. You know modulus of elasticity of concrete. Okay, na? Flexural strength or tensile strength. You know the formula? Try to understand this concept. Okay, now let us take a grade of concrete 25. So 25 grade concrete's the flexural strength is 3.5. flexural strength is 3.5. If you consider this as its thermal expansion and 20 degree as the thermal, what is that? 20 degree as the temperature change, there will be strain. Once if you get the strain, how to convert into stress? ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇನ್ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ?
Load by area.
ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಏರಿಯಾ or divide by Young's modulus? Baba, this is a strain. How to convert
Sir,
strain
divided by
into
Young's
stress?
modulus, sir.
Young's modulus is a stress by strain, correct? So if you take this here, whether it has to be divided or multiplied, right?
So multiplied
Some
by.
multiplication.
To convert strain into stress, you have to multiply with Young's modulus.
Young's
Correct?
modulus.
I'll just repeat this one. Try to understand. Concrete strength is this much. You keep it separate. You keep it separate. Concrete strength is this much. This is separate concept. 0.7 of square root of FCK. 3.5. We are comparing this 3.5 with external stress. Strength, stress. Compare ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Strength of concrete with the stress of stress actually happened in concrete. We have to compare. Now thermal expansion is this much. That is what? That is what? That is what? Alpha. Correct. Temperature change is T, 20 degree. Correct? Okay na? 20 degree. And what is Young's modulus?
Stress by strain.
Stress by strain. So if you get this one, sorry, don't do multiply this one. Alpha T, if you only multiply these two, you will get strain. That is
Strain.
epsilon you will get. Epsilon you will get. To this epsilon, if you multiply this Young's modulus, what you are going to get?
Stress.
Stress.
Stress. Okay, na? This stress is compared with 3.5. If it is stress is more than 3.5, what you should understood? What you should understood? अगर आपका स्ट्रेंथ 3.5 है मगर आपका स्ट्रेस ड्यू टू एक्सटर्नल चेंज इन टेम्परेचर ज्यादा आ रहा है, 5 आ रहा है, तो उसका मतलब क्या है? उसका मतलब क्या है?
External pressure is more than the flexural strength.
Very good, 100% correct, 100% correct. External stress is more, its strength is less, so it is going to fail. What will happen? It is going to fail. If it is less than this, external stress is less than this, what will happen? Concrete is not going to fail. Simple. Concrete is not going to fail. Okay, na? So that is what this calculation is done. So external stress is coming out to be 5. So we are comparing with 3.5. So stress is more. So concrete is going to fail or crack. This stress is due to what reason? Due to load or due to temperature? You tell me.
Due to temperature.
So
Due to
Load, sir.
change in temperature. So the change in temperature causing its crack. Causing its crack. Okay, na? Okay. So there is one concept that is called as extensibility of concrete. What do you mean by that extensibility? मतलब under load also it is performing good. Under load also it is performing good. 3 parameters are there. Just simple. This is not so important, but try to understand. Young's modulus, creep, tensile strength. All these are parameters of extensibility. All these are parameters of extensibility. No, biologically, आप लोग मुझे ये बताओ, कंक्रीट अच्छा रहना है तो वो एक्सटेंसिबिलिटी होना जरूरी है या नहीं है? आप बताओ. सिंपल लॉजिक. एक्सटेंसिबिलिटी होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए? या फिर वो रिजिड होना चाहिए? थोड़ा सोचो, थोड़ा इंजीनियर जैसा सोचो. देखो आप
it should be there,
straight,
sir.
हाँ,
Extensibility should be there.
Repeat.
देर वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। मतलब क्या है, सडन लोड या कुछ भी लोड आने से भी वो थोड़ा डिफॉर्म हो के वापस आना है अपने बॉडी को। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? देखो, आप अगर स्ट्रेट खड़ा है, आपको कोई धक्का दिया तो आप सडनली गिर जाएगा, मगर वो जैसे धक्का देता है उसके हिसाब से वो मूवमेंट से आप भी थोड़ा थोड़ा पीछे जाने से गिरने का चांसेस कम रहता है। डू यू अग्री विद ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಂತಿರ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ದುಗ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾರ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ದುಗ್ಸಾಕ್ ಬಂದಂಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಬೀಳು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದ. ಹೌದೋ ಅಲ್ಲೋ?
ಹೌದ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
Yes, sir.
That type of concept is called as extensibility. That type of concept is called as extensibility. This is generally nothing but Young's modulus, creep, tensile strength. Tensile strength ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೋದು ಅದಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಇದು?
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Yes. So like this, on the top it is extensible. Creep up. For large time application of load, it is creeping like this. This is also extensibility, na? Yes or no?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So if the concrete is taking load and
Yes, sir.
and it is deforming but no cracking, try to understand this point. Without any cracking, if deformation is there, it can bend, it can twist, it can rotate, okay, it can dance, it can do Nagin dance, but without cracking. So that is called as
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ.
that is called as extensibility. Okay, na?
Extensibility of concrete.
Okay. So shall we stop here?
Yes, sir.
Shall we stop? Any doubt in this one?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Any doubts? No?
No, sir.
Okay. Everyone understood all the concepts?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow
Yes,
joints will be tomorrow joints will going to start. Okay. Please give everyone attendance by writing their name and USN. Okay. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave the meeting. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
sir.
Welcome, 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 welcome.